Émilie Arsenault granted few interviews with media over the last 2 years. She says until today, no one's asked her about her sons.
Olivier, c'est un petit garçon super enjoué, super taquineur, un peu gêné à ses heures. C'était mon réconfort. J'ai toujours dit qu'Olivier, c'était mon enfant réconfort. Là. Tandis qu'Alex, lui, c'était mon soleil. Lui, il explosait, il se démarquait des autres. C'était vraiment un petit rayon de soleil. Là.
Olivier would have been 7 this year, Alex 5. But in October 2020, police recovered their bodies from this home in Wendake, just outside Quebec City. For the community of 1,400, it shook many to the core.
The more we're trying to explain, the less we had words in it. We were not ready for that, and no one is ready for that. You're not ready for these kinds of wake-up calls in the morning.
The children's biological father, an Innu man from Wahatmakmaniutnam, is now awaiting trial on second-degree murder charges. When informed of the deaths, Émilie recalls being shocked, but at the same time, not surprised.
Moi, je craignais pour la sécurité de mes enfants, donc c'était une peur que je pouvais avoir, là, qui me traversait l'esprit des fois. Là.
Émilie says her ex's behavior prompted 3 complaints to Youth Protection Services. The first made by a social worker after Olivier's birth. The second made by provincial police. The third, Émilie made herself. All 3 files were closed.
We cannot go into details into the events that led to the signals. But what I can say is that when it will be public, you will understand that it's unbelievable that it took that long and that at the end we said, sorry, but we cannot help you, we're closing the file.
It's a story heard repeatedly during the Laurent Commission, examining the death of a 7-year-old girl in Granby, whose caregivers were also flagged repeatedly with youth protection. The Commission report helped guide reform of Quebec's child welfare laws, but concerns remain about long-term impact.
Ils demandent un rapport d'enquête à chaque fois, mais ça sert à rien. Puis c'est la population qui paye pour ça.
So Émilie and her lawyer are taking initiative. They've served Quebec with a legal notice. A $2 million lawsuit is upcoming.
If you go to a hospital and you are not treated, or and a doctor fails in responding or in treating you correctly, you could sue him. So why can't we sue the government for not responding, for not really offering the service that were proper to protect the children, which are the most vulnerable in our society? Why not?
Émilie says things are looking up. With support of family and friends, she's enrolled in courses hoping to become an elementary school teacher. She says no matter the restitution, Quebec can't replace what's already been lost.
Le montant d'argent, ça aurait été 1 pièce ou ça aurait été 10 millions, ça me dérange pas. Il n'y a rien qui équivaut à la valeur de la perte de mes enfants. Là.
Quebec's Youth Protection Minister declined APTN's request for comment, and an email to the province's health ministry went unanswered by deadline. Lindsay Richardson, APTN National News, Montreal.